Boys, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been able to find petrol anywhere, so I've just had to buy a car with half a tank already in it. And it's not no normal car, it's a Toyota Yaris, old school, more cup holders than IKEA, with 75,000 miles on it. You lot think that's scrappage? This has got one previous owner. This is a gold mine. Look at it, you can see it's had one previous owner. Look how fresh everything is here, genuinely. Look at the steering wheel, you can't see the seats, but look at the seats. This is completely fresh, bro. Nothing wrong with this. This is the best condition one of these I've ever had, and we've had a few on this YouTube channel. The front splitters come off. Oh, the trays come off. Oh, bro, I feel like I've been scammed, you know. This, yeah, mark my words, is going to be an overnight seller, which is why I quickly hopped out in the mornings. I know it's not going to stick around for long, but before we get into all of that, as kids we're told don't meet random men online, and I'm here to change that. If you want to see your cars feature on my videos and you're around Knots or willing to come down, then message my Instagram at RizzyElbow. We'll get a quick POV. I'll even wine and dine you before I send you on your way. So don't be shy and come and say hello. Go grab yourself one of my brand new hoodies, which are in the description, rizzy.store. Look, it's a proper hoodie, got a big hood on it. I'm wearing it all the time, mate. Honestly, boys, they're a very nice fit. This translates to Rizzy in English. Look, they fit. I ordered about 20 blanks before I chose them ones. They're good quality hoodies. Make sure you get at rizzy.store now. Let's take this Yaris for a proper test drive, mate. Well, not proper, because we do want to preserve this car. Is that tuk-tuk? He's got tuk-tuk. Why are you looking at me like that for? I'm literally complimenting what you've got on the back of your car, giving me evils. Look, the sign said this road is short, but it's not, so they're lying, mate. Men are liars, bro. Can't trust men. Can't trust women either. You ever seen a fat girl's comment section? You never see a girl actually pointing out that they're fat. Women are f***ing liars. I don't even know where that came from. Oh my god, I've missed this car. Genuinely, I'm not even mocking it. This is my favourite car. Honestly, I truly believe that anyone in the UK who's got this specific car will sell it for the same price they paid for it, if not more. I like everything about this car. I like the clutch. I like how gear 3 is so short that when you change to 4, it's almost like nothing happens. You might as well skip gear 4. I like how the cup holders everywhere. Bang, 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 bang. There's even one in here, and it's already got a cup in it. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like a mini bar in here. No, but honestly, that's not sarcasm. This car, yeah, gold mine. You might look like a bit of a twat driving it, so at least I'm not the one that's choicefully doing 30 in a national speed limit. Honestly, yeah, this is one of the nicest ones I've ever driven. Like it's just come out of the factory. Our Peugeot driver's still a bit slow, a bit challenged. Because I remember that was a thing back in the day. What is this on Motability? Oh, I didn't indicate. And not even to be like, yeah, I don't care about indicating. It's like, he just forgot. Like, he's just an idiot. This road's a 40. We're doing 25. Yeah, I can't lie, Peugeot drivers are finished. Mate, you want to hurry up? It's not like everyone's got road tax and insurance, is it? Have some sympathy. I can't lie, this guy's being a bit ignorant. He's now doing 27 on a 50, which is stopping me from recording, which is stopping me from working. And if I can't work, then I can't feed the family. If I can't feed the family, family's dying. So he's indirectly killing the family. Oh, mate, just go. The Prime Minister's not actually here with a gun to your head, making sure you're doing a speed. Just go. Just fucking go. Driving 20 when everyone else is trying to do 50. You might as well have walked the way. You might as well drive in reverse. You get there quicker. Don't tell me you're actually going to do 30. Oh, you fucking beg. You little beg. He thinks Rishi Sunak's here, actively making a list, and he's going to get a gold star at the end of the day. You bellend. So they're actually driving like, oh my god, he's doing 25. Confirmed. Literally there in writing, in black and white, in orange and green. You're making me have to change gear. Like, even the guy behind us is getting a bit pissed off now. I'm going to make sure he knows that it's him and not me. You seriously think that if you're delaying this many people's days for no good reason, that nothing bad's going to happen to you? You, my friend, are a bellend. Here we go. Wow. Oh my god, there's no way. Boys, I'm not gonna lie, I was just testing if this car does 60 miles per hour in gear 2, like a lot of people say it does. But it does, it's just done it. Gear 2 is locked in, mate. 60 miles an hour in gear 2 in this. See, this one, sometimes I do make videos for you lot, but not gonna lie, this one's for me. Just to look back at my previous Yaris, because I don't really get Yarises that often because they're hard to find, especially a good nick one like this. Very hard to find on your Facebooks and your Gumtrees and your eBays. This is a genuine gold mine, honestly. If you're looking for a first car and you don't really care what you're driving and you want to be smart about it, get a car like this, a Yaris in good nick, even in bad nick, but then just you're gonna have to maintain that. Get a Yaris in good nick, it's bulletproof, it will last forever. Are you pranking me with the wrong side of the road? Good nick Yaris like this, it won't go wrong, it genuinely won't. You can kick the out of it, it won't go wrong. Trust me, I've had these as personal cars. Move it about for a bit, sell it, get your insurance money back. Or better still, get your money back. You gotta remember, owning a car does drain your wallet. This won't, this genuinely won't. It's not been patched yet. The method's not been patched. And then obviously choose your Yaris depending on your financial situation. This one you can pick up for between £1,000 and £2,000. I personally paid less than that, but I'm being realistic. If you're going out to buy your first car, you don't really know what you're doing, you're probably not gonna be able to get it for under a bag. Or do you know what? Take me along with you, mate. Contact my email. If you're buying a Toyota Yaris and you're trying to get it cheap as chips, bring me with you. Just remember, you can't buy it off a trader or it's not going to work. But if you're buying it off a genuine personal owner, take me with you, mate. I'll get you into a Yaris. I sold a Yaris, I think, about 2 months ago. It might have been a month ago. I never made a video on it because I had the car for about 2 hours. Not even joking. 2 hours. And half of that time, the last hour of owning it, was just waiting for the next customer to turn up. And I had about 100 DMs as well. This is no word of a lie. Like I said, the car's a gold mine. I'm literally putting you lot on for free. So technically I sold it in an hour. I had it on for 1,500. He came and offered 1,350, which I don't really care. I just wanted a quick sale, got it gone. But let's be honest, I could have got that 1,500 easily. I had so many messages about it. If I decided to be patient and I wasn't doing something else that day, I would have got the full 1,500, which I will be getting for this, because I'm selling this for 15. I don't know if it's worth that. I think it's worth about 14, 15 around there. I'm gonna try for 15. I've had a lot of DMs about it, so I probably will get 15, let's be real. Mate, I feel like we ain't talked about car flipping in so long. Boys, I've just been so focused on the entertainment side and consistency. And I've had so many new subs coming. I feel like the OGs that were here for the car flipping documentation, not gonna lie, I sacked it off. I'll speak about it now and then, but I just don't think it makes a good YouTube channel. Some people can pull it off, but I don't film the buying and selling procedure, because I don't know, I feel like it does affect sales when I shove a camera in their face. Plus, I'm not comfortable doing it. Like, I just don't want to do it. I just like making car videos, and clearly they're doing more numbers as well, so I might as well, like, why the hell would I switch that up? The support recently, I would have got through there, mate. The support recently, see, here's my proof. The support recently has been nasty, mate. Genuinely, thank you so much. Like, we're actually getting new people following my channel now. It'd mean the world to me if you can go to rizzy.store and place an order. I'm gonna do so much more products soon. We're just starting out with hoodies. Sales have been decent as well. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I'd sell one, but I sold 3. Oh, that is tragic. Nah, I'm so grateful nevertheless. Honestly, even if I sell nothing, I don't care, because I like the hoodie. It's genuinely comfortable. I like the way it fits, because every time I go out to these shops, I never find a truly good fitting hoodie that actually fits me with a good hood. This hoodie, the blank for it, took me ages to find, and then I put a simplistic design to make sure it looks like something I genuinely wear, and we've genuinely come up with a good product. Buy or don't buy, stick around with rizzy.store throughout the year. We're going to be releasing a few more products, because I don't really want to sell you, botch job t-shirts or category S hoodies. I'm trying to sell you the real deal, and I can hand on heart say that this hoodie fits like a dream. Honestly, the sizing is perfect. Here we go. Was that an ST that's just gone down? Yeah. Go on, mate. Don't get gapped back. Look, here we go. Gear 2. You don't want to play? Oh, what is going on today? 37 in a 60 in your ST. Must be on cold start, surely. F that, lad. I'm not having that. While I wait for him to f off. Oh my god, look at, let's just appreciate the view. I've been to a lot of countries, but the British countryside, you can't beat it. Honestly, it's got its own like taste to it. Here's the car. There's minimal imperfections. Obviously, you know what? This is fresh. That's not even a mark. That will come off, mate. Just got to finger it a bit. This is loose, but it's not come off. This will go back in, but the rest of it is mint. But you know what's even more mint? My new hoodies, mate. Rizzy.store. Bloody hell, we pulled in with the farmyard bunch. But yeah, honestly, it's in pretty pristine condition. It's just got some marks around it. It's got no dents, and this is ready to drive away. A car like this, if you fix that, it's just out of politeness, because you can leave that how it is, you'd still get the same price. This one's not even rusting. Anyway, it's cleared a bit. I love the clutch on this. I feel like it operates better at higher speeds, genuinely. And it's not even slow, this 1.3, because the car's very light and it's quite nippy. Like, you can have fun in this. I think it's one of the most fun cars out of the cheap ones that you can get. Even Toyota Aygo from this gen, I'd put them as most fun in terms of small cars, but this is not far. This is bang on the money, because this does everything. For me, those cars are a bit too small, personally. I couldn't really live with a car that small. This is all right, I could live with this. I have lived with this. This is a good car. Do you see what I mean? You just point it and it just sort of goes there. There's a lot of body roll, but then again, you got to remember it is a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Like, you're not going to have the best handling in the world, but we're not expecting the best handling in the world, considering we paid, I don't want to say what I paid, but under £1,000 for this. You can't complain, and I'm getting that £1,000 back later. I'm getting it with profit. I'm going to be making between £700 and £800 inshallah on this car. I'm getting paid to own this. Come on, boys. I know I sound a bit desperate, but Yaris for the win. Like, this is the best car you can get, honestly. Even the brakes on this one are really good. Who was doing up digital dash in 2007? And these that have had this dashboard in the older cars as well. The previous generation Yaris to this has the exact same dashboard, which is like 2002 or something like that. I might be wrong. Might even be older than that. Plus, you can do 60 miles an hour in your second gear. So I don't even need to bother changing. There you go, 60, and I've only just hit gear 3. You cannot complain with this car. I'm just gonna kick back and drive it, mate. I ain't gonna have one of these in time. Boys, I don't think you're deep in how rare this is for me to actually have one of these cars. I'd be scrolling all day looking for one of these. The way you lot of TikTok rotting your brain, I'd be Yaris rotting, mate, looking for a pristine condition one of these. Oh, mate, do you want to get any more on my side of the road? Look, it goes around there, not a problem. This one's got good tyres on it as well. Same there, ease it round, make sure no one's there. Give it a little bit of brake, make sure no one's there again before we absolutely let it off. The trees have grown a bit since last time I was there. Let's let it off. See what I mean? You can get air if you want, but come on, mate. I don't think Najib's gonna appreciate. You know the car's special when I don't go down that road. You know, I actually care about the car a little bit. I genuinely do, mate. These are sentimental. Even growing up, so many people in my family had. My family never had one. I had one, but my family never had one. But so many people, like my relatives and that, used to have these. I've done bare school missions in this, sitting in the back of there, knees banging on the seat in front because there's just no space. You can't beat it, and they've all got that specific smell as well. That old school Toyota, the Hondas have it as well. I think it's just an old school Japanese smell. But this one's really strong. Oh, no way. Bro's doing a launch control in the test drive Tesla. Go on, bro. You should be filming that, really. You get 100k views in a little bag with it. But anyway, he's doing his thing. We're doing ours. We're back in our comfort zone. This car, yeah, it was part of the come up for this YouTube channel. Can't lie. Do you remember when I first started doing car videos? I'd always have one of these. I don't know what it was. Back then they were easy to find. They're not as easy to find anymore. But still, keep your eyes peeled. You can get one, how I've just got one now. Why are you looking at me like that? Why, you should be happy that you didn't get murked. I was already on the roundabout. Just let it off here one more time. That is the longest gear I've ever seen. Oh my god. This car makes me smile, genuinely. I love this car so much. This is in such good condition as well, compared to a lot of the other ones I've driven. Car moves, man. This is what I'm built to do, mate. Thrash about an old school Yaris. This is the true purpose of this YouTube account. It's so easy to rev match this as well. I feel like the pedals are just made for like going out and having a blast. But it also thrives in the city. Genuinely perfect car, made for everything. That's it, that's me done. Oh my god. Whoever buys this is getting a bargain. The fact you can do that and not smell anything, the car's mechanically sound. Look, let's even give it a little tunnel run. The fact that a car can do that and you get paid for owning it, 10 out of 10 car. Also, I just want to add that the whole time we've used no fuel. None whatsoever. We started on half a tank, we finished on just over half a tank. We're in a better position than what we started with. Look, diesel's at 1.9 here, it's gonna hit 2 soon. Gotta be a millionaire to own a diesel nowadays. Perfect time to get into a Yaris, innit? It's Yaris stocks, innit? This is an investment. Oh, it's these Peugeots again. Honestly, these are retards. Nothing's changed. Here we go. It's clear. Oh my god, she flies, mate. Right, either the fuel gauge is broken or this is a hybrid electric or something dodgy going on. We're not using any fuel. Oh, look at us now, boys. Me and him have got some proper classics. Yeah, anyway, boys, I appreciate it was a quick one. I just wanted to capture some footage of this Yaris Pro itself, to be honest. Remember, Rizzy.store, link in description. Go buy yourself a hoodie that you'll wear for life, because the hoodie is not no botch job, trust me.